Welcome to IMS Care, your all-in-one patient app, making healthcare accessible wherever you go. Managing appointments, refilling prescriptions, checking lab results, and signing forms just got easier with IMS Care. Accessible via smartphones and web browsers, you can choose the most convenient option anytime, anywhere. Accessing IMS Care from any web browser is simple. Just type www.imscare.com into your search bar. Your clinic may have a different IMS Care URL. You can ask your clinic for their IMS Care link. On the login screen, you can see 2 login methods and a sign-up button. If you are new to IMS Care, you can click on the sign-up button. Provide your email address and date of birth to get a one-time password or OTP code. The OTP will be sent to your email address, and you can use it to proceed to the next step. Fill in your details and follow the instructions to complete the sign-up. Easy peasy, you're now in IMS Care. Once you are already an existing user, you can log in with 2 methods. You can use your username by entering it along with your password into the login box, or you can use your email address and date of birth as login credentials. Once logged in, you can navigate the dashboard, which provides access to everything you need, from setting appointments to prescriptions, insurance, billing, and more. Depending on your clinic, your login screen may be different. Some clinics even allow your mobile number as login credentials. Simply follow the login instructions set by your clinic, and you can access your IMS Care account in no time. Prefer using your phone? Download the free IMS Care app from the App Store or Google Play, or simply scan the QR code. Your clinic may also have its own IMS Care app on the App Store and Google Play. Ask your clinic for their QR code. To log into your IMS Care app, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Start by choosing your clinic or provider. You can do this in 3 ways. Option 1. Enter your clinic name and zip code. Option 2. Use your clinic ID. Ask your clinic staff for this ID. Option 3. Enter your provider's name and zip code. Once you've found your clinic or provider, tap their name to proceed to the login screen. Step 2. In the login screen, we can either sign up for new users or log in for existing users. If you're new to the clinic, tap Sign Up. Enter your email address and date of birth. You'll receive an OTP to set up your account. Follow the instructions to complete your account setup. Now, if you're an existing user, you can log in using either your username and password or email address and date of birth. Step 3. Tap the Login button to access your IMS Care account. Step 4. Now you can explore and manage everything: photos, billing statements, appointments, prescriptions, and more, right from your mobile phone. Your healthcare should be accessible whenever and wherever you want it. And with the IMS Care app, you can access it from the palm of your hand. IMS Care, making healthcare simple and accessible. Download the app today.